digital footprints beyond life, a blueprint for safeguarding your digital afterlife. What do we need to do to make sure our digital and online accounts are safe or incapacitated or after we pass away? You need to update your estate plan, because if you don't have the right people authorized from a legal perspective, you don't have a bequest plan that goes over all your assets, this is all can be an absolute mess, even beyond the challenges that it already presents. You need to update your estate plan, update your revocable living trust, update your durable power of attorney, and just make sure people that you trust are named to step in for you, and make sure you've done sophisticated planning. If you have a larger estate, you need to talk to us about asset protection and tax planning. But even from a digital asset side, make sure your plan is up to date. And if it's been a few years since you addressed it, it may not have the right language addressing digital assets, and you might have the wrong people named. Do you have the right people named? Do they even know that they have access to the legacy contact or anything like that to your accounts? Do they know where to get information about your accounts and where that list is? Think about not just your digital accounts. There might be a lot of value there. Maybe you've created businesses from your online accounts. Where are those businesses going? And are you protecting assets from divorce and lawsuits for your kids? There are incredible things we can do from an estate planning perspective. And take the steps we've outlined here. Again, you need to make a list of all your online accounts, store login and password information in a very secure place. You might want to consider using a password manager for this. And some of the password managers, LastPass, OnePass, have their own internal ways to designate, to give access to family members or representatives in a pinch. But each online account has their own policies around this. So take a fresh look. It's always good. Their policies change over time. So this was a snapshot when we presented this. And you can, of course, meet with us to coordinate all of your estate planning. This is all a piece of the pie. Our online lives are increasingly part of our lives. So we want to make sure that your overall estate plan is really covered. If you have a kid with a disability, you don't want assets going to them. You want to go into a special needs trust. If you're worried about divorce and lawsuits for your kids, we need to set up a dynasty trust for them. So many other pieces to the puzzle, and we can be part of that team. If you want to contact us, it's gilfix.com. But I hope you got a lot out of this. Share this video, and I hope everybody's staying safe, sane, and healthy, and I hope we get a chance to work with you and your family.